Welcome to the Helicopter Pilot 16 channel. I'm making a quick video. I haven't made one yet of my remote control helicopter, the Blade CP Pro. Yes, it has the yellow canopy, but you look on the side, it says CP Pro. And had this for about 4 years now, flying great. The worst crash I've ever had with it was about maybe a month and a half ago. Nose dived it into the ground. But luckily it was only the landing gear and blades that needed replacing, so I was lucky there. So I'm gonna get it flying for you. Come back by the camera. That's about all I'm gonna do for today. I don't have a camera guy on me, so I can't have someone following it as well as a tripod can, but sorry, my head's cut out. I'll try to get another few videos of this helicopter out there. I could, if you guys wanted a tutorial on how you fly a collective pitch heli like this. Other than that, I'll try to get more videos of this thing flying. Maybe I'll go to Jonah's house and fly it there, and he can hold the camera while I fly it, and then that would be a little bit better of a video. So I want to thank you for watching, and thanks for all the support I've been getting in the last month. It's been really helpful. So, well, thanks for watching.